Hello, this is Crystal Moon Creations, and today I want to open the bargain bead box for October 2020 with you. Oh, I'm so excited to see what's inside. Okay, the theme for this month is Autumn Horizons. Okay, opening the tissue paper. Let's see what's inside. Okay. I'm just going to take a peek at this before we go through them. Oh, very, very pretty. Okay, so a lot of bright oranges and greens. Let's go through them one by one. The first item in this shipment is this 100-piece 4mm round steel spacer bead antique silver finish. The second item is this 2 sets of 18 by 23mm ornate round toggle clasp. And these are really pretty, a lot of detail in them. I think this is the fanciest toggle clasp I've seen from them. These are very detailed. Number 3, we have 7-inch strand of 8mm carnelian round beads. These are pretty, like warm, bright orange. Number 4 is this 14-inch strand of 4mm crystal bicones in the color Peach Jade Magma. So these look like they're half one color, half another color, like opaque on one side. Plenty of sparkles with that. Number 5 is 1 meter of 4 by 3mm textured steel jewelry chain. Oh, this is interesting chain. If you look up close, every link has that like lines decorating it. Bag number 6 has 10 grams of 4.5mm bumpy rondelle spacer beads. And if you could see them in the bag, to me it looks like they have like rope wrapped around the outside. Let me just pull one out to show you really quick. There. I think we had these before in copper. Number 7 is this 46 by 42 chandelier focal. Now this is really, really awesome. It's got all these details. You could see flowers and leaves. And in this center circle, they have an extra loop on top so you could dangle something in there. And then on the bottom, you could see there is a whole bunch of loops to connect stuff to. So this will make an amazing focal piece for a necklace. Really excited about this. Number 8 is a 7-inch strand of 6 by 4mm crystal rondelles in the color Green Jade Shimmer. These are a really bright and happy looking green color. Kind of makes me think of like Granny Smith apple green. Number 9 is 10 grams of 6mm leaf bead cap. Let me just take one of these out. I think we got these before with this citrus themed month. Not sure, but I think I remember that was a leaf bead cap as well. The 10th bag holds 4 pieces of 27 by 22mm chandelier components. So these are like our earring pieces, and I think they match. So this is the chandelier component, and as you can see, it very much matches the focal piece. So these will make lovely earrings to complement this necklace. Bag number 11 has 5 pieces of this 12mm crystal matte stripe with the color Magma AB. So let's actually get into them. Oh, these are really pretty. Okay, so you could see the matte striping on them, and the Magma AB is just gorgeous colors. Really like these. Number 12 is more crystals. So this is 5-piece 12mm crystal coin bead in iris blue. So let's see. Okay, oh, these are really awesome. You could see the facets in them almost make it look like a flower on the top. So these are gorgeous. And that sparkle. Oh, I love these. Bag 13 has this 12-piece strand of 10mm crackle agate round bead in the color rust red. So let's see what's in this. Oh, these are just beautiful. All that crackling in them and the bright color over the deeper tones. These crackle agates are really stunning. Bag 14 contains leaf spacer beads. I'm gonna take one of these out so you can see. Oh, they are just adorable. Hole running long way through the leaf. Oh god, these are really, really cute. I love these little spacer beads. Bag 15 contains a 7-inch strand of 8x6mm crystal rondelle beads in the color denim with an AB finish. And I could see before I even open these, the sparkles coming through. Oh, wow. These are the sparkliest beads in here. Wow. Okay. So this is a denim blue kind of color, different from the rest, but pulling in some different feels. The rest was very bright fall colors. Yeah. The sparkles on these are amazing. I love these. A bag 16 contains 15-inch strand of bright red-orange agate round beads. Oh, these are beautiful 6mm agate beads. You can see all the different tones from the stone. And these are very close in looks to the third bag, these smaller ones being a more saturated in color, but similar. So those are really beautiful pops of orange in there. Bag 17 has 5 pieces of 23mm floral medallion links. Let's pop these out and see. So these are connector links. So these 5 connector links, you could see the one side is decorated with this flower and the other side is empty. Bag 18 has a 28-piece strand of 5x3mm crystal fancy bicone bead in the color sea green shimmer. Oh, more sparklies. So these are a kind of like squat bicone. You could see they're more like a saucer shape. And the sparkles are beautiful on these. They're light seafoam kind of green. Very, very gorgeous color. And I do like that these are a little more muted down in color, maybe to anchor some of these brighter oranges down. Bag 19 contains 10 check glass maple leaf pressed glass beads in the color matte peridot. Oh, these are just gorgeous. So they are semi-translucent and they have the veining done in gold. Don't know if you could see it. Yeah, there you go. So the little kind of gold shimmer as the veining. They're beautiful leaves. And last but not least, we have bag 20. Now this contains a 30mm carnelian and brass filigree round pendant. It's a beautiful stone. So that's what the back looks like in the front. And me, I'm seeing all these holes in the filigree in the bottom. I'm thinking I could dangle some beads to make this pendant even fancier. Okay, that's everything for the Bargain Bead Box Autumn Horizons October 2020. I do think this box is going to be a challenge for me because these colors are not ones that speak to me. I'm not a big orange person, and especially the brighter oranges. So I'm going to work on creating some pieces from this set, and I will update you in a video later in the month. I am also working on tutorials, but getting all the bead unboxings and uploading them as I got them delayed me on doing the tutorials, but they are still coming for some other things I'm working on. Thank you for watching this unboxing, and I'll see you in the next one.